Hey, it's a me back clapham. Me back. Ah, what's a correct okro? Sis, no bramin chow no young on I. That him quay minister, I'm going to eat me. Did you eat it? Nobody died, the Moyan and waiting. I'm never tomber. That's it, yeah. Asa. Yummy. Yeah, go. Yanka. Be. Go. Straight. That's it. Well done. Left. Press it. Any of them will do. Morning. The food was good, I'm not gonna lie. But it's an old place. One of the assets it's a hotel for living. It's very close to the Wembley Stadium. It's in Wembley Park. It's a space. It's a friend. Mommy, here. That's it, right? Yeah. That's it. We are back.
Yes, to our room.
Yes,
Hello. We're back.
Yes, we are back. Into room turning. Let me draw the curtains. Pretty Alicia's bed.
It has a big room on it.
Let's see what we can see outside.
I can see a big building.
So the stadium is over there, but I have Wembley Park.
Yeah.
I'm alive. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Mommy, it says College of North.
Mommy,
Ah.
what your menu? One every lunch. Look at them. Any dinner? Me, I'm not here. What this card?
We had good
So this is this. A very good one. Pretty Alicia's jacket there. See no any.
To our room.
What? How am I?
It's a bathroom.
Oh, to tell you it's an old day, you know. Hey, you a bathtub hotel. Enjoy. Alicia Crest. That's it. That's all that we've got to show you.
Yep.
And no.
And the next interesting thing that we're going to Uncle Christian's house.
Yes, in Clapham.
Well,
So
today.
get getting ready. Bye. Catch you later. Merry Christmas.
Have a good Christmas.
So here we are. Where are we going?
We're going to Uncle Christian's house.
Good. There you go.
We're at
Yay.
the train station.
Hope I say my outfit away when we get there. It's my girl who is important, right? Yeah, Kwaba, what's it?
Really special.
Yeah, you're gonna spend the whole day there. It's currently 11 in the morning. I'll keep you updated. Why?
We're on the train.
Why is full? That's toast, right? Oh, I love this tune. Yay! So Victoria Line is there. So here, that's the Victoria Line. Look, that's it. To Stockwell. Off we go. Who's singing? So, that's it. Here. That's where we're going. Right? So, green, Ameba. That's it.
For Jubilee and Piccadilly lines. Exit here for Buckingham Palace.
Second train.
This is
Stockwell, right? Young Koi. There you see the way out. Way out. I'm gonna wait, don't worry. I wanted to. That's the princess coming. Yay! You ready? Come on. That's it. Off we go. We're going out. Way out. It's over there. Ain't it? Yeah. Go on, lover. Wait. Let's go. What's that? What's Niger? So look, that's the bus over there. Look. 50. That's where we're going. Are you chasing the bus?
Yeah.
Come on. No? There? Take your time. Yeah, we're not gonna miss it, don't worry. That's it. Careful. Wait. I need to touch you. Thank you. Come on, lover. Keep going. You're gonna come back. Come on, lover. There you go. Yeah, sit down. That's it. Is that better? Yeah? Keep going. Sorry.
It's alright.
Thank you, driver. So this is us at our destination. We are walking already.
Exercising.
We are exercising, babe.
Walk.
Hey, it's a me back clap me back. Ah, what a correct okro. See, no ramen chow no young son I Ah, me phantom of my you me and media. Okay, come on. That I'm going minister, I'm going to eat a media or eat you. Somebody died, the more yarn and waiting. I'm never come back. Turning now. What is it here? Muntu kwan. Now we like and now we share. Katie. That's a shortbread, right?
Yeah.
Shit. They did them. I'm going to point. We're doing the papa.
I've covered a lot of ground tonight, which is lovely. And yeah, I hope
Balanced meal.
they're not making me out tonight.
Find too many. You'll be a video, me.